anytime you get those little packets at the
Yeah, sure.
Asian market.
The spicy mustard, I
right?
love it.
The spicy mustard. So we're just gonna make a quick batch. It's very simple to make.
I wouldn't expect it to start with eggs.
Yeah, so 3 eggs.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do red wine vinegar.
All right. And I see, is that mustard powder you have there?
Correct.
Quite a bit of it.
Yeah. So red wine vinegar. And then we're just gonna mix that up a little bit. And we're gonna turn this up.
You're gonna cook that over.
Correct, we're gonna
The
cook
water.
it over the double boiler.
So you're gonna add the mustard powder to that.
We're gonna add the mustard powder.
Okay. And why are you
And
sifting
it's
it?
really important to sift this because you're gonna end up with, you know, little chunks in there,
Yeah.
right?
So it helps it just incorporate
yep,
better.
so we're just gonna press that through the sieve.
Nice. And mustard powder is really strong. And that's quite a bit of it. So
It
this
really is.
gonna pack a punch.
And then the most important part, sugar, right? So you
so
need
that
that balance
balances
of
it.
vinegar, the heat from the mustard, and the sweetness.
All about the balance. Smells good, doesn't it?
Smells terrific.
You can really smell that mustard already. So this is almost like you're starting a hollandaise.
Yeah, essentially.
Sort of, you know?
Yeah. So you can, you know, the closer when we do it at the hotel, we do it on direct heat. This
Okay.
is going to ensure that you don't have scrambled
Scrambled
eggs
eggs.
in there. So when you do it at home, always do it over a double boiler. And,
Just a little gentler.
Yep. And
Do you want one of us to take over the whisking
You know
so
what?
you can
that
go
would
to
be
something
that
else?
would be fantastic.
Why don't you hop on
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Show your
Happy to.
skills.
All right.
All right.
Any
So
special
like,
tricks
like
he
the
needs
movie
to know?
Goodfellas, keep stirring it.
Just keep stirring her, right?
Right.
I know that scene.
All right.
Yep.
Perfect.
Love that looks ready.
Okay. So
And
that got
let's
nice and thick.
Pull this off, and that's ready to go. So you see what happened here? They got really thick from
Like
the
a mayonnaise or a custard.
Yeah, exactly. So
It's a mustard custard.
it's a mustard custard. How about,
How about
that?
that?
So Asian mustard. There you go. So we can take that and do a lot of different things with that.